I'm coming to y'all with another video. Bruh, I try to tell myself I'm gonna try to vlog every single day something just to get some good content for y'all. Not every content is gonna be, entertaining. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try to give y'all content every other day just to see if I can stay consistent, Right now, I'm gonna just be washing the car as I go, bruh. As I go, I don't know, I'm gonna just be coming up with things. But as of right now, I realized that the car needed a wash, so let me go outside. So yeah, as y'all can see, the car needs a wash. Jesus. Yeah, it needs a wash, so I'm gonna wash it today. I'm not gonna have a detailer detail it for me. I mean, it's too late for someone to come detail it for me. And I don't want to be looking around, so I'm gonna just wash it myself to the best of my ability. And yeah, that's what we on right now. I'm also trying to get y'all some Insta 360 footage today in this video, just because I've been telling y'all and I haven't done it, so I'm gonna try. Where am I gonna go? I don't know. We'll go, but I'll be giving y'all that Insta 360 clips. But yeah, I'm gonna drive in the car right now. I'm gonna drive in the car right now to wash it. I'll give you a little startup as well. Still sounds good. Alright, let's drive it in. I don't know, I really love how the car sounds now. Back then with the Mark 82 cam, it sounded good. Just, it doesn't sound as good as this one. This one it's not very like stupid loud, but it still has this like good tone to it. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, this cam is off comp cam. It's a stage 2 cam, I'm pretty sure, for boost applications only. So if you're going boost and you're looking for a cam, this cam is the one. I have it on my previous video, go check that out. It's in the descriptions as well, I believe. Not sure, but yeah, this comp cam is pretty dope. Yeah, bro, like look at this. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to take off the sticker as well, because look, the sun just ate it up. I had another 1320 video Mexico sticker, but I lost it, so I don't know. I'm gonna just take it off. But yeah, dumb dirty. It's like layers on layers on layers, bro. But we're gonna get it washed. We're gonna try to get it right. I also have a vacuum. I'm gonna try to vacuum the inside, because the inside is pretty dirty as well. That's my work clothes, don't worry about that. But yeah, look, also the back. So we're gonna get it right. All right, so we're almost done. I got done with this side, this whole side. Now and in the front, I'm more on to the next side, and we should be almost done. We just gotta dry it, vacuum it, we all good. I don't know if y'all ever do y'all get those little like yellow spots? I don't know if it's like yellow, like small little bird poops, or I don't know, but those are annoying to scrub off the car, bro. Like right here, I gotta scrub this one off. Oh, this one already came off. This one right here, I don't know, they're like all over the car and they're small. They're just annoying to scrub off. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm almost done, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, so we got it all dry, bro. I'm low-key like not feeling it today, just because I haven't ate and I'm getting sick. But yeah, we got it dry. It's still leaking some water, so I'm gonna be keeping track on that. But my car is completely cooked, bro. And I say because it's like a lot of scratches, a lot of bumps, a lot of but that shit just cooked. Like right here, y'all can see it. That's not a scuff, that's a whole bump. Like scratches like this, or like this, or like this. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'll just have to take the whole car to a shop just for them to, repaint it. Because if I wrap it, I'm gonna still have to patch up the deep scratches or the deep hits in order for them to, repaint it or whatever. But I mean, from afar, it looks good. The color's bright, good, shiny. Just don't get too close, because you're gonna see all the imperfections, bro. Like right here as well, my front bumper, I say my front bumper is just completely cooked. bottom, top, sides, middle, whole front bumper's cooked. And then the top of the car feels like fucking sandpaper, bro. Like, it's crazy. I don't know. But yeah, man, if you get your car, man, just take care of it, like paint wise, because you don't want it like this, bro. Like, you can see a lot of swirls as well. Yeah, my whole car is just chopped, bro. But yeah, right now I'm just letting it dry. Once it dries, I'm do the inside as well, clean everything out, do the inside of the doors right there as well, just everything from the inside. And yeah, that should be it. I'm gonna be giving y'all the Insta 360 view as well, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere. So this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it wasn't much, but we got something for y'all. Tomorrow, today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, I'm gonna have another video for y'all so y'all stay tuned on that. We're gonna be taking the car to BKS for the fuel system, so stay tuned. If y'all enjoyed it, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all on the next banger. Deuces.